Ever wondered how the stock market works? Let's break it down together. The stock market is like a giant marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of ownership in that company. For example, let's say you believe in the future of technology and want to invest in a tech company like Microsoft Corporation. You buy shares of Microsoft through a stock exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange, using a brokerage account. Once you own shares, you become a shareholder, and your investment can grow if the company performs well. But what determines if a stock goes up or down in price? It's influenced by various factors, including company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. To manage risk, it's essential to diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, spread it across different companies and industries. Remember, the stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it's shown steady growth over the long term. So, focus on investing for the future. By understanding how the stock market works and making informed decisions, you can work towards achieving your financial goals. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to the stock market. Happy investing!